Where are you going? Are you ready to drive? Yeah. Can you sit down on your chair? Let me help you. Good job. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Shu and Lily. You gotta say your name, Lily. I swear, guys, one day she's gonna say Lily in the vlog and you guys are gonna, it's just gonna be like the best video ever, the best intro ever. She's ready to drive the GTR. Yeah, you're excited? She's ready to drive the GTR. We're gonna go through first gear, second, third, fourth, and fifth on the freeway, and I'm just gonna be helping her with the clutch because she can't reach it. I'm just kidding, guys. Where's she going? You ready? We gotta install your baby car seat first. I got Lily her car seat, and check it out, not just any car seat, some Recaro to match with Daddy's Recaro. So yeah, you're excited? All right, we gotta install your car seat. Are you ready? She already knows how the car sounds. That's why she's going because she's making the car engine noise, guys. How sick is this? In pink, Recaro racing baby car seat. It's gonna go in a Skyline. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in here. Guys, all right, let's get serious. Yeah, so look at her. Okay, so before we start, gotta give Lily some applesauce. This is her way of just continuing to do what I ask her to. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay, ready? See? Gotta have some applesauce. So fitting the baby car seat in here shouldn't be too difficult. I kind of already messed around with it and it's simple to install. Up, up, up. Big step. Good job. In you go. There we go. So this isn't too difficult. Gotta run it through back here. And bam. The only real adjustment is this one right here. You gotta make sure the seatbelt goes in through. Just like that. And it's secured. It goes in through the bottom and into the buckle. You can play with the relay. Okay. And there we go. Not too difficult. Recaro baby seat. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Baby car seats installed, baby. You want to go for a ride? You want to go driving now? Yeah, look at her. She's all excited. She's ready. She even has her own harness. Damn. We got to start leveling up, guys. And just like that, it's that simple to install the baby car seat, at least in the Skyline. How cool does that look, guys? Freaking Recaro seat in the Skyline. She's running away from me. Hey, hey. Alright, so she seems to like the baby car seat. We're gonna go to get something to drink. Let's see how she does on the freeway. Look at her. I'm gonna have to roll up the window a little bit since we're on the freeway. I think she likes it, guys. made it. Oh, she's all excited. I think she's happy. Ready? Go up, and up. Good job. We're at the gas station. Come here. Come here, little miss. Don't fall. She already fell and has like a scraped up knee. Come on, it's okay. Alright. What do you want from here, huh? You want some donuts? You want donuts? You want that? Okay, get it. She picked the Danish. We got our stuff. We got our goodies. Do we need gas? Should we put gas? Nah, we don't need any gas. Guys, she really likes it in there. She likes her baby car seat. I think mainly the color. Check it out. Here you go. Beep. The next day. She's enjoying that seat. Now that she finally has her car seat, I can take her out to car meets, and this is gonna be officially her first car meet. I'm so excited. I think she's gonna love it. Hopefully there's no like idiots out there revving their engines super loud. It's supposed to be another Skyline JDM, old school 90s. Just another car meet. I know the guys and everybody's respectful, so I think she'll be okay at this car meet. I know, another Skyline meet. It's so crazy, especially here in San Diego. Again, like you guys know, I just got off of work a few hours ago. It's 9:40, so we're heading to a car meet. She's falling asleep on that seat. Look at her. We might have to wait because Lily is still sleeping. She fell asleep on the way over here. She's so comfy. You're cold? Oh man, Lily finally woke up, so we're gonna walk around and check out the cars. But first, we gotta give her applesauce. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. Here. He's just enjoying all the cars. We're right next to the water too. Pretty cool. I think we should like park the cars over here and then like take a picture. See if the guys want to do that. This one right here has like some fatty tires. Look at that. 275s. 275s compared to the ones I have. Yeah. Check out the taillights on this one. That's different. Alright, last time we saw this car, I didn't have my cooling plate, so this is where I kind of got the idea of getting a carbon fiber cooling plate for my car. And seeing this right here just looks so sick. I had to get one for mine. I also need an oil relocator kit for my oil filter because it sucks doing oil change on this car. And then this one right here, having the blue tint, looks so sick. This one brings back old memories, guys. Can't believe I wrecked my EF. It was super clean too. This one's really nice. This is when you know it's rare. Freaking little antenna. Honda? What kind of Honda is this? Even the wheel caps. Alright, let's take a peek inside. Look at it, it's so roomy. You can literally sleep in here. This thing is so sick. A couple of Nissans right here. Damn, that's a nice color. What is that?
Yeah, and it's actually picture that's me is.
I think this car right here pops, and I think Lily's gonna like it too. You like this one? Look at her, she's looking at it. Yeah, you want one of those, huh? Yeah. Alright, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna park all the Skyline so we have that nice background. Looks sick. We parked all the cars together, took some pictures, maybe for the next flyer. But we got Jackie, another gunmetal gray. This one's super clean. I think it's stock. And then the silver one. This one with the carbon hood. And we got Victor's in orange. She loves oranges. She's getting pretty good at eating the whole thing too. Most of the guys are already taking off, so I think we're gonna go take off too. It was a pretty good turnout. Not bad. Nice little kickback. I gotta get home before I start getting tired. We're ready to take off. Lily, did you have fun? Yeah. We parked her in the middle and we took a picture with the NSX. I'll put it right here so you guys can check it out. See you guys. See you later. So everybody's pretty much gone already and we're getting hungry. See you, man.
Take it easy, man.
You gonna show up on the next meet? Yeah.
Hit us up, man. Connect with whoever you can, and we'll try to organize.
For sure, man. See ya.
Have a safe drive.
Thank you.